In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to your bank accounts in your accounting software. To get started, open your accounting platform and head to the accounting menu. From there, select bank accounts. This is the area where you manage the different accounts and payment sources connected to your books, so it's the right place to set up a new feed for PayPal. Once you're on the bank accounts page, look for the option that says Add Bank Account and click it. This will open the connection setup process. In the search field, type PayPal and select it from the list of available financial institutions. Choosing the correct option here is important because it ensures the software connects to the right feed and pulls in the correct transaction data. After selecting PayPal, you'll be prompted to sign in to your PayPal account. Go ahead and enter your login details in the Secure Authorization window. This step allows your accounting software to establish a direct bank feed connection with PayPal, which means your transactions can sync automatically instead of being entered manually. As you complete this part, carefully review any permission screens so you understand what access is being granted. This is a normal part of the connection process and helps make sure the integration works smoothly. Once the account has been successfully authorized, you'll move on to the final setup stage. Here, you'll choose the start date for the feed. This determines how far back the system should begin importing transactions. So pick a date that matches your bookkeeping needs. If you're connecting the account for the first time, it's a good idea to choose a date that aligns with the period you want to begin reconciling from to avoid missing anything important or importing more history than you need. When that's done, finish the activation process to save the connection. After saving, the direct feed will begin syncing your PayPal transactions into the bank accounts area. Depending on the platform and connection speed, the first import may take a little time, so don't worry if transactions don't appear instantly. That's it. Your PayPal account is now connected and your feed setup is complete. Going forward, this connection can help streamline your bookkeeping by automatically bringing in transaction data, making reconciliation faster, and reducing manual entry.